Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to increase the constitution fast in where winds meet. Constitution boosts your max health and your survivability. You can level it up much quicker if you focus on the right activities. The fastest way to raise your constitution is by completing the physical training activities. You need to look for the endurance trials, stamina runs, and cliff climbing challenges across the open world. These trials reward constitution experience immediately, and repeating them on the different locations stacks your progress fast. Next, you can focus on collecting the constitution boosting items like herbal ingredients, vitality food, and special auxiliaries found in the markets or crafted at the cooking stations give permanent or temporary constitution bonuses. Many villages also have the herbalists who sell rare ingredients that give bigger stat increases. Finally, you can progress through the story quests and the side missions tied to the martial training. Certain missions unblock the internal technique upgrades, and these upgrades directly increase your constitution level. Completing these quests early give you a permanent advantage in the combat and the exploration. So that's how you can increase the constitution fast in where winds meet. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.